fridge does not belong here. Dumping of fridges in the tip results in a fine as well as harm to the environment. The correct and only way to dispose of a fridge is to recycle it. Simply drop off the fridge at the Eaglehawk Recycle Yard and pay $15. The $15 is used to deconstruct the fridge, paying for labour and the tools used behind the scenes to recycle every element. The process is broken into these steps. Dismantle the shelves. These shelves are then later sold in the shop. Degas the fridge. The gas is extracted into bottles and sold to energy companies. This is a process that needs to be undertaken so the greenhouse gases do not escape into the atmosphere. Remove the motor. Drill a hole in the top of the motor to remove the oil. And the oil is not dispersed into the ground. Cut the top off the motor. Separate the copper from the other parts. This process is labour intensive but is far better for the environment and creates employment. You have had use of the fridge, now you are required to dispose of it in a responsible manner.